It is reported that LG is considering a name change for the device that was supposed to go on sale this year as the G7 so that potential customers realize that it is a completely new product. After all, 7 does not sound as new as 9 or X. And it is assumed that the LG G7 is an alternative of Galaxy S9 and iPhone X. We have a new name for you, according to an infiltrator with an excellent track record. Keep in mind, however, that it will be incredibly annoying. Here we go, LG G7 ThinkQ. ThinkQ is supposed to be LG's own artificial intelligence platform, which was presented together with the V30 ThinkQ in the MWC, a phone that you should not even consider buying at this time. LG G7 ThinkQ sounds as annoying as the Galaxy S9 Bixby, the iPhone X Siri or the Google Pixel 2 assistant would sound if others decided to add their AI product nomenclature to the name of a star phone. Since it comes from Evan Blass, the nickname LG G7 ThinkQ is probably credible. That said, we have no idea when the phone will be released. But since almost everyone else has already presented their first flagship phones of the year, the G7 ThinkQ should not be too advanced. We have already seen a supposed 3D rendering of the phone, which reveals an additional physical hardware button that may be the LG Bixby button. Should we call it ThinkQ? In addition, LG already hinted that the phone will have a notched design like the iPhone X when trying to talk to Redditors about it.